What's up, guys? Today we're going to compare IronXL with ClosedXML. All right, in today's video, we'll be doing a comparative study of two popular .NET libraries, ClosedXML and IronXL, particularly focusing on reading Excel files. So we're going to start by examining how to read an Excel file using ClosedXML. I've already installed this library via the NuGet package manager, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So here is the Excel file that we'll be using for this demonstration, and it contains data that we'll be reading with both libraries. So let's switch to the program.cs file and check out the pre-written code. We start by importing the ClosedXML.xl namespace. We then create an instance of the Excel workbook class and pass the path of our file to it. The next line reads the first worksheet from our workbook. The for loop, which iterates from 1 to 6, reads the cell values from B1 to B6. We then fetch each cell's data using the cell method and the getValue method, and that returns a string. And then lastly, we display the data on the screen. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. So that's how the ClosedXML library reads its content. It's a bit complex, right? But it is what it is. So let's see how IronXL handles this task instead. So here you can see I've already installed the IronXL library using the NuGet package manager. It's always recommended to use the latest version. So let's return to our program.cs file and explain our pre-written code here. We begin by importing the IronXL namespace. Next, we use the workbook class to load our Excel file. After that, we retrieve the default worksheet from our workbook using the default worksheet property. In this example, we're just working with default sheet, but if your Excel file has multiple sheets, you could use the workbook's indexing operator or find worksheet method to access different sheets. The for each loop reads from a range of cells elegantly and outputs each cell's value. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. As you can see, the IronXL has successfully read the Excel file. Right, so the code is pretty straightforward. It's easier to understand, and IronXL has broad capabilities. So it works with almost all spreadsheet formats, and ClosedXML, it's not necessarily the case. It only works with Excel files. So if you're looking for a library that supports a wide range of files, IronXL is definitely a better option. All right, we hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you'd like some more tips and tricks from Iron Software, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you'd like to try the software out, we do have a trial subscription available. Click on the link below and we'll get you hooked up and you can experience the power of the software itself.